Hey guys, today we're gonna test something about the ThinkPad 8. So as you know, he has this weird looking USB 3.0 micro B charger. Okay, that's the one you usually use to charge the tablet on this port. But something I noticed, oops, sorry, using one hand here. You can as well use your micro USB cable. Oops, I have focus. Okay, here we go. To charge it. As you can see from here, let's try to do this simple. Oopsie. This is my battery, right? Let's plug it in. Sorry about that, guys. My camera is not here yet. It's been fixed, so bear with me a few seconds. And now, as you can see, it's charging, and it's my micro USB cable that I have plugged in. So some people were saying that oh, it sucks, they're using a weird cable, blah 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 blah. If they break it, they have to buy a new one. This is my Note 3 cable. It's the same one as the ThinkPad 8. This is my PS4 cable, and it works flawlessly. I'm telling you, it charged the battery the same way as anything else. So one other thing we're gonna take a look at. This is my Dual Shock 4 controller, so the PS4 controller. We're gonna pair it with the tablet. So to do so, you need to press and hold the share button and the PS button. Once you do that, it's gonna start flashing like this. Then on your tablet, you go into your settings. Oh, sorry, not settings, no need to. We're going to search, you type in Bluetooth. Okay. So we go to Bluetooth settings. Yeah, it was paired before. Let me just remove it. And now it's gonna take a look and try to find anything there. So here it is. It says wireless controller ready to pair. So you just touch that. Touch pair. Boots. And it's gonna start. When it pairs, your controller should look something like this to let you know that it's paired to something. And it's gonna take a few more seconds. Yeah. And it says connected. Everything is done. It's done. Here we go.